Hello, and welcome to the Life Flow channel, where we discuss topics related to health, performance, and well-being. In today's video, we'll dive deep into intermittent fasting. This is the ultimate guide to help you understand what it is, how to get started, how to optimize your results, and clear up the most common doubts. If you've heard about the incredible benefits of intermittent fasting and want to know how to apply it in your life to lose fat, enhance mental clarity, and improve your health, this video is for you. Stay until the end, because I'll share practical and detailed tips that could transform your health and fitness journey. Unlike a traditional diet, intermittent fasting is not about what you eat, but when you eat. It's a strategy that involves periods of fasting and eating. During fasting, your body changes how it uses energy, which can lead to fat loss, increased mental clarity, and cellular rejuvenation. The concept is simple. You go for a certain period without consuming calories, and then eat within a specific eating window. To simplify, intermittent fasting basically means not eating for a prolonged period, and then eating within a restricted time frame. A classic example is the 16/8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat within the remaining 8 hours. A practical example would be stopping food intake at 8 p.m. and resuming eating at noon the next day. Now, let's talk about the benefits of intermittent fasting. One of the most popular benefits is fat loss without significant muscle loss. When you fast, your body uses stored fatty acids as an energy source. This means that by going without food for a certain period, your body begins to burn fat without necessarily losing muscle mass. Studies show that fasting preserves muscle while increasing fat burning, especially when combined with a high-protein diet during the eating window. A study published in the Journal of Translational Medicine showed that even with the same calorie intake, those following intermittent fasting experience greater fat loss than those eating throughout the day. Beyond physical benefits, fasting is known for its effects on mental clarity and focus. During fasting, your body produces ketones, which serve as powerful fuel for the brain. This increases your ability to concentrate, since there are fewer fluctuations in blood sugar levels, helping you avoid energy highs and lows. Additionally, fasting can enhance long-term brain health by reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Another powerful benefit is the process of autophagy, which is essentially the body's self-cleaning of cells. Autophagy is a critical cellular process that eliminates damaged or old cells, recycling them to generate new ones or create energy. The term autophagy comes from Greek, meaning self-eating, which describes exactly what the body does. It identifies worn-out or non-functional components and recycles them. During fasting, especially during extended periods without food, the body doesn't have immediate access to external energy, i.e. food. In response, it activates autophagy to sustain itself efficiently. Without nutrient intake, the body enters survival mode and reuses internal components to maintain vitality, degrading old or malfunctioning cells. Autophagy promotes cellular renewal, plays a crucial role in organ health, prevents disease, and even supports longevity. Now that you understand the benefits, let's talk about how to start fasting. Before beginning a fasting period, it's important to prepare your body with the right meal. Foods rich in fiber and healthy fats help extend the feeling of fullness. For example, a light meal with vegetables and olive oil or avocado can keep you satisfied longer, easing hunger pangs during fasting, especially if you're just starting. Staying hydrated during fasting is crucial. Water is always the best option, and you can drink as much as you like. Black coffee and unsweetened tea are also allowed, and coffee, in particular, has an additional effect on autophagy, speeding up the process of cellular renewal. A study published in the Journal of Cell Cycle showed that polyphenol in coffee enhance autophagy. However, avoid artificial sweeteners. While they may seem harmless, artificial sweeteners can trigger insulin responses, disrupting the benefits of fasting. Even without calories, they can cause hormonal spikes that affect your metabolism, so it's best to avoid them while fasting. Also, avoid supplements containing oils, like omega-3 capsules, as the calories from the oil can break your fast. There are different types of intermittent fasting. The most common is the 16/8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat within an 8-hour window. Variations like 18/6 or 24 exist, depending on your goals and adaptation. If you're new to fasting, starting with the 16/8 method is a great way to experiment and get your body accustomed to it. For those seeking deeper benefits for cellular and mental health, prolonged fasting lasting 24 to 48 hours offers unique advantages. During longer fasts, the body enters deeper states of autophagy and cellular regeneration, but these fasts should be done in moderation. Knowing how to break a fast is as important as the fast itself. I recommend breaking your fast with something light, like broth, to help restore your digestive system after the rest period. Avoid combining fats and carbs in your first meal, as this can trigger insulin spikes that promote fat storage. A practical example would be eating protein and vegetables first, followed by carbs or fats in subsequent meals. Can you work out while fasting? Yes. In fact, working out in a fasted state can maximize fat burning. A study published in the Journal of Physiology showed that exercising while fasting increases the mobilization of fat as an energy source. However, if your goal is peak performance, training after your first meal might be more effective for strength and endurance. Both men and women can fast, but there are important hormonal differences to consider. For women, fasting can trigger stronger hormonal signals due to the biological need to maintain energy reserves for reproduction. Women can start with shorter fasts, like 12 to 14 hours, and gradually increase. This approach helps avoid impacts on the menstrual cycle and hormone levels. Now, let's address some common questions. Many people wonder if fasting slows metabolism. Contrary to popular belief, fasting does not slow metabolism in the long run. Studies show that fasting can temporarily boost metabolism due to the release of hormones that stimulate fat burning. Another common concern is muscle loss. The good news is that short fasts, like 16 to 24 hours, preserve muscle mass. The body is designed to burn fat first and maintain muscle, especially when you consume adequate protein during the eating window. And what about the thyroid? During fasting, thyroid hormone production may temporarily slow, but this is normal. Once you resume eating, thyroid function returns to normal and your metabolism readjusts. In summary, intermittent fasting offers numerous benefits for both body and mind. It helps with fat loss, improves mental clarity, and promotes cellular renewal. If you enjoyed this video and want more content on fasting, health, and well-being, subscribe to the LifeFlow channel, hit the notification bell, and don't miss the upcoming videos. And if you made it this far, comment below. I have perfect health. See you soon.